Hi, I'm Dave. You know, there's no simpler, easier way to transform the look and feel of a room than by painting it a fresh color. There's nothing quite like the feeling of pride and satisfaction you get from a paint job well done. I'm here to give you the confidence to get the best possible results. Remove artwork and window coverings, along with wall plates and light switch covers. And keep the screws with them. Then take your small, easy-to-move furniture out of the room. That way it's easier for you to get around. Next, take the rest of the furniture, move it to the center of the room and cover it with a drop cloth or plastic sheeting so that it's easier for your ladder to get all the way around. And I always recommend PPG Paints, the brand that's been trusted by pros like me for 135 years. If you've measured your room and it turns out you need more than 1 gallon, your best bet is to mix these together in a 5-gallon bucket. This is going to ensure color consistency and minimizes touch-up issues. Also, if you're painting the ceiling, do that first. When you're ready for the walls, go over them with a mild detergent, and then rinse to remove any residue, dust, or debris. Cover any nail holes or imperfections with a lightweight, shrink-free spackle, and sand when it's dry. Use a 1.5-inch to 2-inch painter's tape to mask the baseboards. Make sure to press firmly. This is going to take a while, but trust me, it's worth it. Use a 2-inch angled brush to cut in the walls. Hold the brush like a pen, load it, tap it to the side of the bucket, and you're good to go. We've already got the ceiling cut in, so make sure you start there first. Roll on your paint in the shape of the W. When you start to hear the sound of tape pulling off a wall, it's time to reload the roll. Paint trim indoors using a 2 or 2.5-inch angled sash trim brush. The angled brush helps you get into corners a lot easier and keeps your lines straighter. Be careful not to run the paint onto the wall or ceiling surfaces that you finished. Oh, and here's a tip that can make a big difference. If you've used painter's tape, remove it while the paint's still wet so you don't rip off layers of paint. If you let it dry before applying a second coat, make sure that you score along the paint. There you have it. Just a few hours, you've really freshened up the look of a room. Good luck on this painting project, and we'll see you on the next one.